inventory turnover ratio. Inventory turnover ratio equal to cost of revenue from operation divided average inventory. Cost, first of all, find out for cost of revenue from operation. Cost of revenue from operation equal to purchase of stock in trade, change inventories of finished goods plus direct expense, or revenue from operation minus gross profit. Change inventory, purchase of stock in trade already available for the in the question. Change in inventories you find out for change in inventory, opening inventory minus and closing inventory you know for the change inventories. Direct expense means you know for the direct expense for you preparing for the trading account, wages, carriage inwards, freight inwards, track charge, octroi, input duty, gold and cash and fuel and powers, and other direct expense. It is called for the direct expense you know for. Change inventory also you know for opening inventory minus you closing inventory you find it for the answer changes inventories. How to find out for the average inventory? Average inventory means opening inventory plus closing inventory you added divided for 2. It is called for average inventory. Now discuss about illustration 8. From the following given information, calculate for inventory turnover ratio and inventory conversion methods in month. You know for the 2 questions is available for this question. Question number 1, find out for the inventory turnover ratio. Now see for the formula. Another question, inventory conversion method. What in by conversion methods? The conversion methods means in the period of time taken sell the inventory. Formula for conversion method period in days, bottomly take for how many days for the year? Number of days in the year 365. Inventory turnover ratio you find out for the answer. Inventory conversion method in month. Month means how many months in the year? 12 months. Divided inventory turnover ratio you find out for the question. Now discuss first question. Inventory turnover ratio. Revenue from operation, inventory at beginning of the year, inventory and end of the year, purchase made during the year and carriage inwards. Now see first of all inventory turnover ratio. You know for the formula inventory turnover ratio means cost of revenue from operation divided average inventory. Inventory turnover ratio, cost of revenue from operation divided average inventory. Cost of revenue from operation means how much rupees? Cost of revenue from operation means you see the formula. Cost of revenue from operation, purchase in stock in trade. You see select for the purchase in stock trade during the year 90,000 plus change inventories. You know change inventory means 2 concepts available, opening inventory minus closing inventory. You see the question, inventory at the beginning of the year it is called for opening inventory. Inventory at the end of the year it is called for closing inventory. Automatically less 40,000 minus 20,000. Find out the answer 20,000. Next what formula? Direct expense. Any direct expense given for the question? Carriage inwards rupees 10,000 you ordered. Now find out cost of inventory operation. Cost of revenue from operation equal, write the formula, opening inventory minus closing inventory plus net purchase plus direct expense. Opening inventory minus closing. You see the opening inventory, how much rupees? 40,000 minus closing inventory 20,000. Find out the answer. 20,000 plus net purchase, how much rupees? Purchase made during the year 90,000 plus direct expense, how much rupees? Carriage inwards 10,000. Total 90,000 plus 10,000, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 20,000. Cost revenue from operation 1 lakh 20,000. Divided for average inventory. Average inventory, what formula? Average inventory. Average inventory means divided 2. Opening divided closing. Average inventory, opening inventory plus closing inventory divided for 2. Above average opening inventory, how much rupees? Opening inventory beginning of the year. Opening inventory beginning of the year 40,000 plus inventory for the end of the means closing year. Closing year rupees 20,000 divided 2. 60,000 divided 2. 2 into 3, 6. Answer 30,000. 30,000 for the average inventory. Now find out the answer. Cost of revenue from operation, how much rupees? 1 lakh 20,000 divided average inventory, how much rupees? 30,000. Now find out the answer. 40 divided